A simple syrup is enhanced with ginger, and together with pure ginger juice, it's added to lime juice, tequila, and triple sec to make this delicious and refreshing ginger margarita. Welcome back to Cravings for Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to be making a delicious ginger margarita. I've made several margaritas on my channel, but this one has the juice of ginger infused in it and it's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. To start this off, I'm going to grate fresh ginger. Once grated, I'm going to squeeze all of the juice out of it and strain it. I'm straining 50 ml, but you can go up to 100 ml if you want a stronger ginger taste. To make a simple syrup, I'm going to boil together 3/4 of a cup of sugar with 3/4 of a cup of water, and I'm going to add 3 slices of ginger to the syrup and allow it to flavor the syrup. Allow the syrup to reduce by 25% and then make sure it's completely cooled. Now to prepare the margarita. Add 300 ml of lime juice, 200 ml of cooled ginger simple syrup. I'm also going to add the ginger slices I used to infuse the syrup. Next, I'm going to add the ginger juice. And now for the alcohol, I'm going to add 300 ml of triple sec and 300 ml of tequila. Cover this and allow it to chill in the fridge for a few hours to overnight. Once it's chilled, pour it over ice in a glass with a salted rim, and cheers! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for ginger margaritas. The warm weather is here and you're going to want to make several batches of these. Trust me, they are delicious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and also make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a lot of behind the scenes footage there. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.